Hello again, it's Althea from metemgeeblog. Today I'm making Vermicelli Cake, also commonly known as Vamazelli Cake. It is one of the sweet treats from my childhood and I can't wait to share my recipe and process with you. Let's jump right into it. To prepare the liquid ingredients in a large saucepan or pot, combine 2 cans of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk and mix together until the condensed milk fully dissolves into the evaporated milk. Don't skip this step or the condensed milk will burn. Then, using the cans from the evaporated milk, dilute the milk with 2 cans of water. Stir the liquid until fully combined, then turn your stove on to medium heat, continuing to stir the milk to prevent the milk from burning. Next, add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, and 5 cardamom pods. Mix together well, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and continue to mix. Then let the milk come to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the milk simmer for 10 minutes so that it becomes infused with all those wonderful spices. Then remove from the heat and set aside. To prepare the vermicelli noodles, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to a very large pot on medium heat. When the butter has melted, add the vermicelli noodles broken into 2 to 3 inch pieces and parch or toast until the noodles are brown. I did this in 2 batches so that I could manage the noodles better. You can do it in as many batches as you need. You can also scoop out the parched noodles and set aside while you parch the other batches. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe, and to turn on notifications. And follow me on Instagram for daily cooking inspirations and a peek into my home life. And check out my Facebook and drop me some of your pictures of what you're cooking. I love hearing from all of you. You can find a link to the full printable recipe in the description box or on metemgee.com. Once you've parched all of the noodles, add the prepared spiced milk to the parched noodles, pouring over a sieve or strainer to collect the spices. Then add 1 cup of rinsed golden raisins and mix together well. Then bring to a boil on medium to medium-high heat, stirring to prevent the milk from boiling over. Once the milk comes to a boil for about a minute, continuing to stir to prevent the milk from boiling over. Then reduce the heat to a low simmer, cover with the lid slightly ajar, and let the vermicelli simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the noodles are fully cooked. Checking and stirring along the way to ensure that the noodles are not sticking to the bottom of the pot. After 15 minutes of simmering, my noodles are fully cooked and my milk has thickened. You may also add another can of water to the pot if the milk cooks down before the noodles are fully cooked. Then remove your vermicelli from the heat and pour it into a greased baking dish. Allow your vermicelli to fully cool before serving. This allows it to set into a cake. Then serve up a slice of vermicelli. Topped with a maraschino cherry or 2. And now for the taste test. As many of you guys know, I really can't eat gluten, and so my husband's standing right here and he is my taste tester for today. He said it was really rich and creamy, but just the right level of sweetness, and he really enjoyed it. This is one of his favorites. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and as always, thank you for watching.